is it, old guy? Tommy, what's your problem? Hey, look at me. What is it? What do you want? May, quit hitting him. Bone, what do you want, baby boy? Oh, his tonsillitis, he's still hoarse. Oh, baby, mommy's sorry. You want a treat? Is that it? Is that it? Okay, I'm gonna get it. Here, look at mama. Tommy, you better sit. Do you want a treat? Tommy, say something. Say something. You want this? Little May. No. Boy dog, back. Maggie May. This is for Maggie May. Tommy, look at mother. What's up, man? What does he say? You want another treat? Tommy, talk to mama. Tommy boy. Tommy. Little May. Boy dog. Can you say something? Tom. Tom. T-Bone. That one lady dog, she my bestest girl. Tom. No. No. Tom. What's he doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, Tommy? Tommy, tell mommy what you want. What you want? What? What is it? What is it? Tell mama. Yes, he's a good boy. Who's that good dog? Who better sit? Sit. If you sit down, I'll get it for you. Sit. Tommy, sit. What did I tell you? I said sit down. Sit, May May. Sit, girl. Good girl.